Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Sarah and this is Shop with Sarah, and it is brand new. I used to coupon about 5 years ago. I couponed a lot and I explain that a little bit later on in the video. So yeah, this is my first time putting it together on a YouTube video. I did a few snippets on my Instagram, which is the same name, Shop with Sarah, with dots or periods in between each letter or each word, sorry. And I got some really good feedback, so I thought I'd put it all together in a YouTube video and see where it goes. So this was my haul from yesterday. Now, later on in the video, you'll hear me explain and talk about it some more with my receipts. And then there's a little bit of me actually in the store. So let's just jump right in, shall we? So first I'll talk about the Skinny Pop. The Skinny Pop I show in the store had a big slit on it. The cashier, she said, oh, you should go get another one. I didn't even notice it, even though when I went back and watched the video, it was plain as day. So it's $1 off one Skinny Pop, and there is not a size requirement on there. So when there's not a size requirement, in my mind in the coupon world, that means go for the smallest one and you'll usually get it for free. So this was free, and it was $1 at Dollar General. Next I'll go on to the Febreze plugins. There, the coupon is $5 off 2 plugins, and the regular original price is $5 a piece. They were in the 50% off section of the seasonal stuff, and they're winter scents, not really Christmas scents, I guess you could say. They are a cranberry something or another. I can't really see the scent. They smell good though, with the tag on front of it. And so yeah, they are $2.50 a piece, making them completely free. Whenever you are shopping for something like this with the coupon, always check to see if there's previous season stuff out still, because they're usually 50% off because they got to get rid of it. So this would make these completely free. Some people are hauling the regular ones, you know, the regular everyday ones, and that's totally fine. That's basically meaning you get this one, you pay for this one, and you get this one free if you were to do it that way. Because I only found these at one store, and I went to 4 or 5 stores in the past couple of days. So it really is hit or miss, and you're lucky if you do find some holiday ones still left over, and it is January. Next, I will talk about this. There is a good coupon for these on the digital, for the digital coupons. They are for the back and muscle pain for $3 off one, and it has to be 24 tablets, capsules, whatever you want to call them. So it would make this $1.25. Next, I'll do these. These are the freebies that everyone are getting. I do want to do a tip, if it's possible for you. Try to go to the Dollar Tree, sorry, I keep calling it Dollar Tree, the Dollar Generals that are a little bit out of your area. Only because I live in a city, there's 2 Dollar Generals here, and they were both wiped clean. That's totally fine. I was not right on the ball for it. But when I did get out of my city and get into the Dollar Generals that are in the country, that are brand new, that are popping up everywhere, in the tiny towns and all that, they still had tons of these. So if you're not having a lot of luck in your area, if you're able to go out of your town or your city, try a smaller town one. That's where I had the best luck finding these. So and that's where I had the best luck finding the Febreze as well, because in my city they were wiped clean too. So the next coupon, or the next one, is the Bic Comfort 3 Pivot Razors. There are 3 blades on them. There are 4 razors in a pack. And I don't know if you can tell, there are 3 razors, or 3 blades for razors. There is a $3 off one coupon, which is a great coupon. Even if you were to get the $6 ones, it'd still be a good price. But these are $3.50. Some people are showing in their stores that they're $3.45. But these, for mine, where I found them, were $3.50. Now in my city, they had them, but they were for $7, and they were the exact same ones. The Comfort 3 Pivot 4 razors. And that just wasn't gonna happen. If I go out and I'm gonna get 45-cent razors or 50-cent razors, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna go and spend $3 per pack. Now, if my boyfriend was completely out of razors, then that would be different. I would get the $3 pack. But when I tried a different Dollar General, they were for $3.50. So I don't know, maybe they're mismarked, I'm not sure. But anyways, get you some 50-cent razors, 45-cent razors, depending on your area. Next is this. These were not on sale. They are $4.95, which is a good price in my book still. But there's a $2 off one coupon for these, and that's 32 packs in this bag. And yeah, it is good, very good laundry soap. So yeah. And next I will do the Kleenex. The Kleenex is pretty self-explanatory, $2 off 2. They're each $1, making all of them free. Next we have the Centrum Vitamins, and there's an extra deal on this that I do want to explain a little bit about. For the vitamins though, there is a high $4 off one coupon for the 60 tablets only, or it has to be at least 60 tablets. Now yesterday in my little walkthrough in the store, I showed this one, but then I also showed the one next to it, a Centrum Silver, but that one only had 40 tablets. It has to have 60 tablets. So make sure you pay attention carefully to the tablet amount, but if you are a couponer for more than a couple of days, you always make sure in looking at the size requirements. Then after I got home, I had downloaded a few more savings apps that I have not had in quite some time. So I downloaded those, and the Savings Star had a $4 off one rebate as well. But what you'll want to do is you will want to add the number that you use at the Dollar General checkout to your Savings Star before you buy the Centrum Vitamins, and then it'll give you the $4 rebate as well. So if you want to have a $3 money maker on these, make sure you add your phone number that you use at the checkout connected to your Savings Star prior to buying these, okay? And then it'll be a $3 money maker. And then last but not least, I did this deal. I talked about it in more detail, but just make sure it's Frito-Lay and it's a Pepsi product. You can use Pepsi, Mountain Dew, or Sierra Mist. And this has to be, and the $2 one is the best bang for your buck. And what will happen is it's $2 off 2 products. So make sure you get the 2, otherwise it won't work. And that is it. See these razors right here? They're marked for $3.50, and you use your $3 off coupon, and you have 50-cent razors. Here's the right box for the free Kleenex, but there's only one left, so I cannot use the coupon. Okay, guys, here it is. I was able to find this brand new Dollar General, and they have 2. Well, they have more than 2. I'm grabbing 2. Free boxes of Kleenex. I did this deal yesterday, and I paid $2.95 for a 32 pack of Arm & Hammer laundry soap, and it's good soap, and I have 3 kids, so get some if you need it. Guys, so there is these for $5, and your $4 off coupon will work, giving you $1 for vitamins. Don't use the $1 off Peely as well. Save that for another time because it won't work. Take out Skinny Pop. Free snack. Just for me. These right here are free. They will work on the 2 for $2. So you can get a couple for free. Here is the free warmer. All you have to do is click the coupon on your app or the website and you have a free warmer. So there was another deal that I did in the store that I didn't show because it's I was getting to the end of, the 5th store I'd been to today, and I was like, I'll just do that one in the car. So anywho, I did it's a 2 for $2, or it's $2 off 2. You have to get a Pepsi product and you have to get a Frito-Lay product. And so I got the $2 bag of Chester's Puffcorn, cheese flavored, and then I got a 1.25 liter bottle of Pepsi. And so this worked out to being $1.10. The reason why it's $1.10 is because I live in Michigan, and Michigan has a 10-cent deposit on all soda or pop drinks. And yes, it is what it is. So it's the $1, so it'd be $1 for everyone else. Here in Michigan, as far as I know, that we don't really even think about the deposit. It's like, oh, it was $1. The 10 cents isn't even thought about. But anyways, the Puffcorn, and you could get Puffcorn, you can get for a $2 bag. You can do a regular bag of Frito-Lays, but it has to be Frito-Lay right here, and it has to you have to get them together, obviously. So this is $1. So it's basically you bought this and you got this for free, and that is a very good deal to me. And so I wanted to also show you my receipts for today. I also went to the Dollar Tree just to browse, but these are my receipts for today. And as you can see, hold on, these are my receipts from today. And as you can see, my total was $1.10 here. It is $1.50 at that one and $2.75 at that one. And I don't care if you can see the locations. I don't think there are people that are trolling couponers to find out where they live. But anyways, that's just me. Now, I haven't couponed in several years, and I don't know if tax is counted in your totals of what you save. So I spent about $8.30, including another I can't think, a Dollar General that I went to yesterday and spent $2.95. So altogether it was $8.30 for the 4 trips, plus if you do count the tax, about $10 for everything. And I got laundry detergent, I got razors, I got vitamins, I got air freshener, and I got some snacks. And to me, those are pretty essential. Maybe not snacks and maybe not air fresheners, but I mean, if you can get air freshener for free, why not? If you can get a bag of chips, why not? I have 3 kids and they all take lunches to school, and I always put a small handful of chips in their lunches. So yeah, it's not like chips are essential, but you know what I mean. Anyways, I'm rambling on. But yes, these are from today, and as you can see with each one, hold on a second, I'm going to show you a glimpse of each one. So you've got here, this one is Chester's Puffcorn, Skinny Pop, that was free. and the 2 Kleenex, box of Kleenexes for free. And then, what else? I think that's it. Yes, that is it for that one. So that one I saved $5. Then this one is, my car's rattling, not rattling, but it's shaking a little. But this one is, this has the razors, the vitamins, and the Airwick Oil Warmer, which is the air freshener, that the plug-in air freshener holder. It's not the actual oil or whatever is in that, those little thingies that you plug in. And then the last one, and that had a savings of $8.50 here. And then this one was earlier today, and this one is for $16.50 as the savings. And this one here is, oh, I forgot, I did get some Aleve. I don't know why they're calling it back and muscle, because it's the same ingredients as the regular, excuse me, the regular Aleve. But it's $4.20, and then there's a $3 off coupon. Then there's the free air warmer, and then there is, was able to find 2 Febreze that were clearanced. They are cranberry, which they are in the, the holiday clearance, and they are 50% off. So they're normally $5. They are marked down to $2.50, and then the $5 digital coupon making them completely free. I did get the razors again, and then I got the vitamins again. And so altogether it was $2.75. Excuse me. So how I'm able to do it twice is because it's a different phone number. One is my phone number, and one is my my boyfriend's phone number, and so that's how you do it. Now I might do a third one. I don't know if I said this or not, but I might do a third one with one of my daughter's phone numbers, so that pardon me, that I can do it a third time, because sometimes there are deals like the free Kleenexes that is just too good to pass up, because as I've said, with 3 kids, you go through Kleenexes a lot more than you think, especially during this time of year. So anywho, that's all for today. I have, this would be my first video that I'm putting up. So yeah, I hope you like it. If there's any pointers, like me covering up my debit card number here, it's the last 4, so it should be okay. There's not like there's a ton of money in there anyways, for you to take. And anyways, I guess I'm just rambling as usual. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. There's gonna be some photos at the end of the video as well, and I also have an Instagram page that is also Shop with Sarah. And yeah, that's all. Have a good day, guys. Bye.